Thought I'd make a quick video on this is the fuel stop for Mars commercial truck I have there. Yeah, pop it in and out to stop the fuel, and there's a cork gasket in there to seal it off. This is your running, and then this is your reserve. So you open this one as you're running, and then you're finished, you shut it off. I'm sure everyone knows that. But and this is the reserve one. I damaged the corks on the one I have. What I do, there's two screws in there. Pop that screw out, and that'll just slide out. The cork fits in here. There's no way of getting the cork in there unless this bit comes out. You can see that turn. So the plan here is to push that in there. I'm going to get a vice grips and just pinch this until it thins it out, and I can separate it. Then what I'm going to do, I have a cork here. I'm going to drill a 2.5mm hole in it. 2.5mm hole in it. I'll probably wind it out a bit just to make it 3mm probably, and it slides over that. Then the cork is obviously too big. I'm going to put it in the drill, and I'm going to get a grinder, and I'm just going to grind it down to roughly where it is, and it's going to get a sandpaper on a hard back. It's not going to be a soft pad, and just to finish it, grind it off smooth till it slides in here tight. I have this one done, but it's very tight. I don't want to pull it out yet because I want to fill this with oil and kind of lube it all up a bit. But I'll show you when I've this one done. I can fill that with oil then. I'm going to put it on time lapse, so that's what I'm going to do in here. Just thought I'd show you how quick what I've done. So I pinched that with pliers instead of grinding it with a file. I don't have a lathe. If I had a lathe, I'd probably just made up a new one of these. But now that's because I want to keep as much material on here, so I can just peen that over with a hammer again, and it'll be just as normal. It just pops out now. Be easy enough to make that in the lathe. That'll be a good start, I think, for me to do. What I'm going to do now is get the cork drilled out, cut to fit this, and then I'll start machining it down.
Shackles been locked up, man, for way too long. Lost in love, I grabbed the handle, damn, lost my nerve, and now she's gone. All I've got to say is that it wasn't even me. It was my twin brother Trouble, and he comes around after every double shooter I take in. He doesn't have a lot of friends. If you know who I am, then you know all I'm trying to say is I get in the West Coast style. I ain't never should have tried it, never should have sold my soul and spiked a heart of gold. I took a drink from the devil's punch bowl. Let me tell you about a friend of mine. He was flying high when he stole that loaded gun. Found his love and grabbed the handle of the Colt 45. He's on the run. The fuzz got up and that's why he did what he did, unless he's
For some reason the first one went brilliant. The second one is, I know this is off. The drill is off a bit, but the first one went perfect. So what I'm doing now is I'm sanding this up and down just to try and, I've taken too much off this side. Well, I'm right at where it needs to be. So I just need to get the rest off this side to bring it in. Hopefully that'll fit soon now. Yeah, it's all off this side. I'm just going to sand that for a while.
I get it, the West Coast style. Ain't never should have tried it, never should have sold my soul and spiked a heart of gold. I sold my soul and spiked a heart of gold.
The cork I'm using isn't great. It's all got hard chunks in it. It's starting to get a bit brittle. That was the first one I done. Let's see. That came out brilliant. I'm going to do is push it in the right way, and I'm going to soak it in fuel for the night. And see, does that make a difference for it? A bit more off that. Hard chunks in there. See how that goes up, that'll swell up. I'm going to drop that in a bowl of fuel. See how that is tomorrow. Alright, get the fuel turned on first, get it rolling down. Normally it's just like this, I need to take the wire to prime. You know, it's gravity fed, just get it going. There's that tick over outside now. I'm going to throw the covers on the front. Should be ready to go. Still have advanced out and choke out, but I have the throttle pulled out of it. It usually runs with advanced and choke all the way in. I have the throttle out of it. I just leave it out to let it warm up a bit. See how that goes. I'm running around with spare parts all the time, just in case. But I'll get a booster box in here and get that cover on.